Are you tired of kitchen appliances that promise the world but deliver soggy fries or unevenly cooked steak? Meet this Tastee Ceramic Air Fryer 8-in-1 Compact 5.5 Quart, a revolutionary appliance that's redefining home cooking in 2025. This isn't just another air fryer, it's a versatile, non-toxic, high-performance kitchen companion designed to make your meals healthier, faster, and tastier. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this air fryer is a must-have, diving into its standout features, real-world performance, and why it's perfect for busy families, health-conscious cooks, and culinary enthusiasts alike. Ready to transform your kitchen? Let's dive in. Why the Tastee Ceramic Air Fryer stands out. The Tastee Ceramic Air Fryer isn't your average kitchen gadget. With a sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and a focus on healthy cooking, it solves common pain points like inconsistent cooking, tedious cleanup, and limited functionality. Whether you're whipping up crispy French fries, juicy steak, or dehydrated fruit snacks, this 8-in-1 air fryer delivers restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. Its compact 5.5 quart capacity is ideal for families, while the intuitive digital controls and app connectivity make it accessible for beginners and pros alike. Key features and benefits: high-performance cooking at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Unlike most air fryers that max out at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, this model reaches 450 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering crispier, golden results in less time. The high-speed 2,800 RPM motor speeds up heating by 40%, perfect for busy weeknights when you need dinner on the table fast. SensorMagic Dual Sensor Probe. Say goodbye to overcooked or undercooked meat. The smart probe monitors internal and external temperatures, automatically adjusting settings for perfect steaks, chicken, or fish. It's like having a chef in your kitchen. 8-in-1 versatility with 24 presets. From air frying and slow cooking to dehydrating and grilling, this air fryer does it all. With 24 one-touch presets for dishes like bacon, popcorn, and chicken wings, you can cook virtually anything with a single tap. Non-toxic ceramic coating. The PFOA/PFOS-free ceramic basket is safe, durable, and reduces oil use by 95%. It's dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze, and ensures guilt-free fried foods. Compact yet spacious design. The 5.5 quart capacity is perfect for family-sized meals, while the compact footprint fits small kitchens. The 2-in-1 grill feature lets you toast bread or grill meats with ease. Who is this air fryer for? The Tastee Ceramic Air Fryer is perfect for busy parents. The one-touch presets and quick preheating make weeknight dinners a breeze, while the 5.5 quart capacity feeds the whole family. Health-conscious cooks. With a non-toxic ceramic coating and 95% less oil, it's ideal for guilt-free meals. Tech-savvy foodies. The app and smart probe appeal to those who love precision and convenience. Small space dwellers. Its compact design fits tiny kitchens without sacrificing functionality. Pros and cons. Pros: cooks faster and crispier than most air fryers at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Dual sensor probe ensures perfect meat every time. Non-toxic, dishwasher-safe ceramic coating. Versatile 8-in-1 functions with 24 presets. Compact design with family-sized capacity. App offers recipes and remote control. Optional. Cons: probe requires meat to be at least 1 inch thick for special programming. Wi-Fi doesn't work with hotspots, which may limit app use in some settings. Premium price point, though features justify the cost for most users. Why choose Tastee over competitors? Compared to brands like Ninja or Instant, the Tastee Ceramic Air Fryer stands out for its higher 450 degree Fahrenheit temperature, non-toxic ceramic coating, and smart probe technology. While Ninja's Foodie DZ550 offers dual baskets, it lacks the precision of Tastee's dual sensor probe. Instance Vortex is user-friendly, but doesn't match Tastee's versatility or health-focused design. If you value consistent results, safety, and ease of use, Tastee is the clear winner. Final verdict: is the Tastee Ceramic Air Fryer worth it? The Tastee Ceramic Air Fryer 8-in-1 Compact. 5.5 Quart is a powerhouse that delivers on its promises. Its high-performance cooking, smart technology, and health-conscious design make it a standout in a crowded market. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, this air fryer simplifies meal prep while producing delicious, crispy results. At $189, it's an investment, but the durability, versatility, and time savings make it worth every penny. Ready to elevate your cooking game? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and get yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.